The weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since there's no places to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Hi guys, welcome to Let It Snow. This month's happy hour kit also happens to be the name of this episode, Let It Snow Martini. And I'm really excited for it. The Let It Snow Martini is a delicious white chocolate martini. And whether you have the vegan one or the dairy one, the process is still exactly the same. So the first thing you want to do is put a little bit of the rim onto a plate. You don't need a special rimming plate, any plate will work. Next you're going to take your syrup. And you just need a spoon. You just take your martini glass or whatever glass you need. You don't need to have a martini glass. And just run it along the rim of the spoon. And now that our glass is coated, we're going to run it along our sugar rim. It is a beautiful rim. It's got sparkles, it's got sprinkles, it's got coconut, and it really kind of looks like it's just been snowed on with the lights underneath. That's really pretty. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take a shaker. If you don't have a shaker, it's totally fine. Anything that seals. If you have a thermos, you can use it. Even the mason jars I gave you, they seal. You can just shake it right in the mason jar and pour it. You just need something to strain it. But I'm going to teach you the technique using a Boston shaker. We're going to take some ice. You don't need much, just up to about there. I'm going to show you in this glass. Next, you can measure out a 1-to-1 ratio of your syrup and either vodka or rum. I'm going to use polar ice vodka. You can use whatever vodka you want or whatever rum you want, as long as it doesn't have too much of its own flavor, or unless it's a flavor that complements it, like chocolate. Now we're putting the lid on, and we just tap it. And make sure it's locked. That wasn't locked. Make sure it's locked, and then we flip it this way, and we're just going to go back and forth for about 7 to 8 seconds. Now to unlock it, we're going to put our hands on the side. We're going to put our thumbs upwards, and we're just going to push. And it comes right off. I'm going to take a strainer, or whatever you have that holds back ice. It could even be this, but it might be not entirely sanitary. And pour. There you have it, guys, the Let It Snow Martini. It's so decadent and it's so rich. Like, oh my god. Oh, it is so good. Just so you guys know, the syrup is also really good on lattes. You can also add it with hot water and make hot chocolate with it. There's quite a few options with this syrup, and it's absolutely divine. If there's any time of year to do this, it's now. And I guess Halloween. So cheers, guys. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you like it in the comments. Let me know if you want more like this. Let me know if you just thought it was just way too rich for you. Yeah, I want to know how you guys like it, or if you didn't. I love you guys. Happy holidays. I'm going to enjoy my martini.